Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional looking logo for free using Canva. Whether you're starting a business, launching a YouTube channel, or just need a logo for personal projects, Canva is the perfect tool for this. First, go to canva.com. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right. You can use your Google account, Facebook, or email to register. It's completely free. Once you're signed in, type logo in the search bar at the top and hit enter. Pick one that matches your style. Edit the text, fonts, colors, and icons to make it uniquely yours. Use the toolbar to adjust everything quickly. When you're happy with the design, click the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Nice job! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.